Sisita, so bakit? Feeling ko I'm misunderstood a lot also, minsan.
How do you look like when you're sad?
When I'm sad, ganito. Joke lang. Siguro like when I'm sad, siguro kahit pagod ako, mukha akong may problema or sad. So, kahit pagod ako, kahit tahimik lang ako, yung mata ko siguro kasi lahat ng tao sinasabi kayo, anong problema?
Oo nga.
Wala akong problema.
There's something in your eyes and the way you stare. You know, the way you stare, that's like, it's more than enough to destroy any innocence.
Super kulit at super malambing yan.
Do you often say I love you?
Often say I love you. I think, para sa akin, I do.
Yes. Or hahalikan na lang niya ako. Or especially kung may gusto siya, like paluto and all that. Or may gusto siyang ipabili sa akin kasi doesn't have time to buy. Ayun.
I do siguro. Not just any I love you. I mean, kasi para
As long as you mean it.
Oh, I mean, I can say I love you to you, barkada ko. You know, I love you, bro. Like, I love you, man. Kasi, para sa akin, who knows, baka the next day,
Oo nga,
di ba?
oras
Or
mo na.
sometimes, you never know
Oh,
what
you
happened.
really think of
diba?
that,
so,
ah.
sabi mo, yeah, I love you, man. Kasi, syempre, he is significant in your
That
life.
might be your last chance
Or
of
tsaka
saying
he's
I love you.
significant in your
to
life.
you.
Kung significant siya sa life mo,
Talaga.
and he really means, you know, something to you. You should.
And I don't think it will change because my husband was also like that. Malambing siya eh. Even to, you know, other children na hindi niya kilala, or animals for that matter, malambing siya. Pero reserved siya when it comes to adults because, you know, as a child to an adult, you know, there's always this wall. So, but once he gets to know that adult, wala, open naman siya.
I want you to be careful of choosing your, yung friends, hindi kasi lahat okay. Medyo napapalibutan siya, kahit sa showbiz, napapalibutan ka ng mga distractor, mga ingitero, mga pansinin ka lang. Pero kasi may ugali naman si Ken ng dead siya dun eh. Parang, i-care ko naman about them. Basta, you have to continue lang naman yung work mo.
Okay.
Ang lakas ng niya yung self-esteem. Okay. Anything that annoys you, Ken?
Annoys me? Siguro, people who try to be a know-it-all.
Oh,
Hindi naman.
you don't like Google person.
Yeah.
Okay, they know everything.